Chetna. My group consists of Ustat and Keerthi, and we decided to work on water supply and sanitation. We chose this project because we are passionate about rainwater harvesting, and we were very concerned about the lack of it in India. India has long been plagued by its water scarcity. It receives ample rainwater, but barely any of it is harvested or utilized. We were very concerned by this problem, and we couldn't figure out why this rainwater harvesting wasn't implemented throughout India. When we researched upon this, we came across a few problems. We figured out that rainwater harvesting is too expensive for most users, and that it also takes up too much space, which is what we aim to solve through our project, which involves the Biosand Filter. We are also working on a corporate social responsibility project, which involves a galvanized hydraulic pump.
Discovered this invention, we were shocked that it was so easily accessible and that it was so simple. We thought, how could this not be so widely implemented, especially in developing countries such as India, where cost is of the essence? Clearly, this is very important until we found that there were some fatal flaws in this design. So, first of all, we would like to suggest a couple of what we would consider vital adaptations to its design. Such as, first of all, making it adapt to rainwater harvesting facilities and allowing its infrastructure to be more cooperative, to be included in societal gardens and things of such natural beauty, so that it would not harm natural beauty, but it also would not waste too many resources. A galvanized hydraulic pump would be the answer to all of our problems. If we could identify areas with cross connections and major leakages, we would be able to strategically insert hydraulic pumps to ensure that water is distributed all destinations with an equal amount of pressure, which would eventually lead to a brighter future for India's water supply and sanitation system. We are also working on creating a website for further CSR so that we would be able to use crowdfunding to earn enough money to be able to provide tankers with proper seals and valves to ensure that not as much water is wasted.
So the model ensures optimum utilization of the space as it can be inserted under the ground, the use of runoff water for drinking purposes. The model is made to adapt to already existing communities, and the hydraulic pump ensures that the pressure is maintained, there are no leakages, and it can be implemented in areas with very low temperatures.